Hey, my magical friends, can we talk about how there isn't much real education on witchcraft out there online? Well, there's some, but there's not a lot of it. I know that there are some incredible podcasts that I've been able to find. There are some incredible witches on social media that I follow. But when it comes to YouTube, like education on witchcraft is almost non-existent. Now, I am not someone that was raised pagan, and I didn't have any family members that practiced. I was actually raised in a Christian home, so I didn't find my spirituality until many years in life. Trying to find real valuable information has been somewhat of a challenge. So because of that, I am starting this series here on YouTube called Witchcraft 101. And a couple of reasons why I'm doing this is, one, there is a huge misconception about witchcraft out there in the community. I feel like many people think that it's evil or it's devil worshiping, and that is absolutely not what it is. And if you are a pagan or you have found your spirituality and your practice, you also know this and you feel it. So I really think that having valuable information out there to teach others what it really is will be extremely helpful. And then two, trying to find information out there for your practice is just so challenging, and I think that this might be helpful. This series is really for beginners, for those who are new into their practice, and for people that just are feeling called but don't really know where to start. Now, I don't have a teacher, I don't have a coven, and I don't have someone that I can sit down with and just explain and learn the basics. So what I have learned so far, I have had to go out there and find it. And if you're experiencing the same thing, then give us a follow, because I really feel like this series is going to be so helpful and so beneficial to many of us. So if you're new, or you just don't have the support or clear information that you need, then this series may be for you. Tell me in the comments maybe some things that you're struggling with or some questions that you might have, so that it helps me know where the most need is out there. I'm super excited about this, and I hope you are. We'll be seeing you on the next video. Stay magical.